Hey, it's Andy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organise your real estate portfolio info using Notion so you can save time and become more productive. I'm giving away this template for free, so make sure you check out the link in the description below. This is the main page where you can view all of your properties. The summary section at the top gives you an overview of your property portfolio, and you can quickly jump into a property page for more detail. For each property page, you can store property information such as the address, the purchase date and the purchase price, financial information such as the mortgage amount and the mortgage expiry, and rental details such as the managing agent and the monthly rent. Plus, you can also add any ad hoc notes as well. To add a new property, just click the new button here or up here and it'll apply the template automatically, and then just go and add in all of the details. Below the property details, you can also add a map link, relevant documents, and photos. Plus record any notes so that you can refer back to them in the future. Don't forget to also add a main picture attachment as well. Click to go back to the main page. Next up is the finance section. Here you can see an overview of the financial information for all your properties, including their mortgage amount, the mortgage deal expiry date, and the rental amount. The template also calculates whether you've got less than 6 months left on your current mortgage deal, and it gives you a warning. Lastly, there's the rentals section. Check out the current rental status for all your properties, such as the rental agent, the rental status, and the amount of rent per month. You can use this view to focus up with agents to make sure your properties are being rented in good time. To customize the template, you can add your own rental agent by adding a new one here under rental agents. So for example, Pinebrook Property Management, and then just go and press create, and that will go and put them in. You can update the rental statuses for your businesses. So for example, this could be eviction, and you can also go and change the rental types. So for example, this may be a commercial tenant instead. Plus you can also go and add more properties down here by clicking add property. You can also decide whether you want to see information all the time when it's only got something in it, or you can hide it when it's empty. So for example, here we could go hide when empty. And then lastly, we can also go and expand the new property template. So on the right hand side, if you just go to the 3 dots, click to edit this new property template, and then for example we could have a maintenance required section. So just amend the template to meet your specific business needs. I hope now that you're more confident about how to use Notion to organise all of your real estate portfolio information in one place. This template is available for free, so I'll drop the link into the description below, and all I'd ask is that if you find it useful, that you share it with anyone else you know who could also benefit. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.